Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news to the graduates as well as the postgraduates. So even though if you are a fresher or else experienced here, the vacancies are there. Okay, so these are all the central government vacancies, guys. So utilize the opportunity, and the pay scales mean the payments are from 18,000 rupees per month to 40,000 rupees per month are there. And after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of job vacancies. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And if as per your qualification, if your requirement is not covered in this video, then please don't worry, guys. Whatever your requirement is there, mention that one in the comment section. Based upon that one, I will come up in the next video. Fine. So to get my next videos, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Then you will get the notification regarding my videos, guys. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UGC NET December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there by keeping in mind the UGC NET December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. To the present content of the video, it is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. So from this one here, we got one recruitment notification from the Center for Materials for Electronics Technology, CMET. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video, and here for more details click here, and then you will be directed to the detailed notification regarding this one, guys. So here we will see one by one, and the duration of the project you may check down here up to 19th July 2026. Okay, and the CMET invites talented persons with research aptitude for the following post in one of the scientific projects sponsored by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. And here the name of the post, Project Associate, temporary on project based, 3 vacancies are there. And coming to the tenure of the post, initially for 1 year, may be extendable to the completion of the project. And the performance will be reviewed on completion of 6 months. Okay, service to decide suitability of further retention. And the qualification, first class or 60% of marks in BU or BTech in electrical and electronics, electronics and communication, or electronics and instrumentation engineering. And age limit is not exceeding the 28 years as on 31st August 2021. So if the net or gate is there, then 31,000 rupees per month is available. If they are not there, then 25,000 rupees per month is available. And coming to the project associate, so first class 60% of marks in BU or BTech in electronics and communication, and the not exceeding 28 years, and the same 31,000 rupees if net or gate, and 25,000 rupees if not net or gate qualification. And coming to the project associate to 1C, 2 vacancies are there. And the first class 60% of marks in MSc chemistry or material science or polymer chemistry or polymer science. So 28 years and 31,000 rupees per month with a net or gate. Without net or gate, 25,000 rupees per month. And coming to the project assistant, 6 vacancies are there. First class 60% of marks and diploma in electrical or electronics engineering. Age limit is 28 years, and the 20,000 rupees per month plus HRA also available. And coming to the scientific administrative assistant here, first class 60% of marks and BCom, not exceeding 28 years, and 18,000 rupees per month plus HRA is available. Coming to the scientific administrative assistant B, 1 vacancy, first class 60 or 60% of marks in any bachelor's degree. Okay, and the experience also not required here. And you will get that 18,000 rupees per month plus HRA also available. So age limit is not exceeding the 28 years. And coming to the administrative consultant here, at least 10 years of experience in government R&D. So 1 vacancy is there, and age limit is 65 years. And the amount you are going to get is the 40,000 rupees per month. Okay, so these are all the different vacancies, guys. Okay, so whatever the department you belongs to, so utilize this opportunity if you are having the necessary age limitations as well as educational qualifications. Fine. So nature of the work is also mentioned here, 1 to 4, 5 to 6, and for post 7. and few general terms and conditions are also mentioned here, so you please check down, guys. And those who are eligible for the above post may download and take the printout of the application form. I will show you where the application form is available at the end of this video. And the filled in application form signed and affixed with a recent a photograph and the documents in support of qualification, age, experience, etc. shall be scanned and sent as a single PDF to the email cmet@cmet.gov.in. The last date of receipt of application is 31st August 2021. And those who are willing to apply for more than one post shall apply in separate application format. And the application not in the prescribed format, incomplete applications will not be accepted. Fine. And only those candidates who are screened in by a committee will be considered for the interview for final selection. In case the number of candidates are high, written test also be conducted. And the decisions of screening or selection committee are final and binding on the stakeholders. Fine. So these are all the clear-cut details, guys. And coming to the application format, okay, where this application format is available. So regarding that one, so it is the official website for the Center for Materials for Electronics and Technology. And I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you scroll down here, you may check down the job vacancies. So click on that one and then you will be directed to this one, and whatever the advertisement we saw up to now, that is the detailed notification regarding this one, so that you will get here. And the application format is also here. Okay, so if you click on this one, then the application will be downloaded, guys. Okay, so after downloading the application form, so properly fill up, and then after filling up of the details, scan that one and just do whatever they are telling as per the details mentioned in the notification, okay, to send the mail to the prescribed mail ID. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.